where the river flows, kicking up dust in a four-wheel drive. We're living for these summer nights, cranking up the tunes, we're feeling right. Coolers packed, it's time to light a bonfire high under starry skies, out here in the countryside. Mud riding, whiskey sipping, cooler full of beer, we ain't tripping. Country girls in the cut-off jeans, living the dream, know what I mean. Summer nights we're going strong, dancing in the mud all night long. Raise your glass, let's make a toast to the country life where you love the most. Big old trucks and muddy trails, stories to tell around the fire we share, with a whiskey shot and a country tune, howling at the southern moon. Thick country girls looking so fine, in the moonlight they shine. Hand in hand we dance and sway, in the country we know how to play. Mud riding, whiskey sipping, cooler full of beer, we ain't tripping. Country girls in the cut-off jeans, living the dream, know what I mean. We've been through the storm, felt the rain, had our share of heartache and a little bit of pain. But the clouds have parted and the skies are blue. Now we're dancing in the sunshine, just me and you. So grab your boots, let's hit the floor. We've earned these smiles and we're wanting more. Turn up the music, let the good times roll. Life's too short, so let's lose control. Good times roll, let the laughter fly. We're living in the moment under the open sky. Feel the rhythm of the heartbeat, take a wild stroll. We're making memories and the good times roll. Got the windows down, the wind's in our hair. Every single worry's drifting out of here. Raise a toast to the hard times that we've been through. Now we're living like there's nothing we can't do. So grab your boots, let's hit the floor. We've earned these smiles and we're wanting more. Turn up the music, let the good times roll. Life's too short, so let's lose control. Good times roll, let the laughter fly. We're living in the moment under the open sky. Feel the rhythm of the heartbeat, take a wild stroll. We're making memories and the good times roll. No looking back, no holding tight. We're chasing dreams in the moonlight. In this moment, we're free and bold. Every second's worth more than gold. Good times roll, let the laughter fly. We're living in the moment under the open sky. Feel the rhythm of the heartbeat, take a wild stroll. We're making memories and the good times roll. He was a banker down in Georgia, wore a tie every day. But the city of life got heavy and the music led the way. Packed up his old guitar, left the high-rise behind. Now he's playing bars in Nashville, looking for a sign. They're chasing country dreams down the dirt road tracks, leaving all they know, never looking back. Trading in the fast lane for a slower kind of tune, finding out the truth beneath the southern moon. They're chasing country dreams where the heart beats loud, singing about their story, standing out in the crowd. From the city lights to the rolling green, they're all chasing country dreams. She was a singer in the city, Broadway bright as day. But the song she sang felt empty in a world so far away. Bought herself a ticket, one way to Tennessee. Now she's writing songs about heartache in the places she's been free. They're chasing country dreams down the dirt road tracks, leaving all they know, never looking back. Trading in the fast lane for a slower kind of tune, finding out the truth beneath the southern moon. They're chasing country dreams where the heart beats loud, singing about their story, standing out in the crowd. From the city lights to the rolling green, they're all chasing country dreams. something worth it all. Out on the bayou, where the night gets loud, we're cracking dainty beer, feeling mighty proud. Got the swamp tunes playing, frogs are in the air. We're gigging in the moonlight, not a single care. Haters all lurking, but we don't mind. Got a cold one in hand and a good old time. Bayou's our kingdom, the night's our throne. With a Dixie in our grip, we're never alone. Dixie beer and good times roll. Out on the bayou where the stories unfold. Gigging frogs and catching gators too. With a can in hand, we're living true. In the heart of the swamp where the wild things roam. Dixie beer's the drink that makes it feel like home. Light up the fire as the night rolls in, telling tales of the past, where do we begin? From the first to the last, it's a journey we share. With the bayou as our witness, we breathe the same air. Stars up above and the critters below. Dixie's in our hands as the good times flow. We're laughing, we're singing, and we're feeling just right. Living on the edge of the bayou tonight. Dixie beer and good times roll. Out on the bayou where the stories unfold. Gigging frogs and catching gators too. With a can in hand, we're living true. In the heart of the swamp where the wild things roam. Dixie beer's a drink that makes it feel like
rolling in the pickup, the dirt road behind. Heart's in the hills, but my mind's in the grind. City lights flashing, they calling my name, but the crickets in the night, man, they play a sweet game. From the farm to the hustle, got that duality. Pouring coffee at dawn, dreaming of reality. Where the skyline's tall and the neon's bright, but I miss those sunsets, country stars at night. City dreams, country soul, two worlds clash, but I'm feeling whole. Got my boots in the dirt, head up in the clouds. Living for the moments that make me proud. Got a heart for the harvest, hands in the soil, but that concrete jungle's got me working on my royal. Chasing after dreams, but I can't forget my roots. From the cornfields to the boardroom, letting loose.
the weight of the world, it's pressing me down. Smile on my face, but inside I drown. Can't find the strength to face another day. The whispers in my head, they won't go away. Oh, 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 these shadows on the heart, they're tearing me apart. Loneliness in a crowd, it's a silent scream so loud. Fighting a war no one can see. These shadows on the heart, they're breaking me. But it's someone I don't know. Lost in the darkness, afraid to let it show. Tried to reach out, but the words wouldn't come. A battle inside. First steps, first words, time flying by. Soccer games and school plays, reaching for the sky. Proud parents cheering every little win. Growing up so fast, where to begin? Growing up fast, in the blink of an eye. From baby steps to reaching for the sky. With each milestone, with each new task, time moves quickly, and we can only ask. Birthday candles, the schoolyard friends. Innocence fading as the journey bends. From first crushes to dreams so bold, they're growing up fast and their stories unfold. Growing up fast, in the blink of an eye. From baby steps to reaching